So hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj and today we are discussing the LeetCode question number 1051, that is height checker. The question is, a school is trying to take an annual photo of all the students. The students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-decreasing order by height. Let this ordering be represented by the integer array expected, where expected of I is the expected height of the ith student in the line. You are given an integer array heights representing the current order that the students are standing in. Each height of I is the height of ith student in the line 0 indexed. Return the number of indices where heights of I is not equal to expected of I. So this is the question. What the question wants to say is that a school is trying to take the annual photo of the students, where it have a array that have the heights of all the student, that is the actual height, and we have to make a expected height, that is the sorted or a non-decreasing order, that is a ascending order of the values of the height, and we have to return the numbers or the total values that is not matching to the expected height in the actual height. As we can see in the example number 1, the input is 114213 and the output is 3 here. That is, how come we got the output 3? That is, the height is 114213 here, and the expected heights that is the sorted form of this array. We can see the second index, the fourth index and the fifth index is not matching, and so we can see the total of 3 indexes that are not matching, and that is what we are returning in the output there. So how can we do the question here? So what we can do, that we can we'll form an array of expected heights, then pass all the values of the heights of I, that means the pass all the values of heights array into the expected array, and then we'll sort the expected array, and after that we'll check each index of both of them, that is it equal or not. So let's move to the code part here. So first of all, we'll have a array to store the expected values of the expected heights. Expected, that is equal to heights. After that, we'll sort the expected array. So sort expected dot begin and expected dot end. So after that, we'll have a variable that is int count, so that we can count the value count the indices where the values are not same. Now we'll have a for loop. We'll start with 0 less than heights dot size I plus plus. Now we'll check if heights of I is not equal to expected of I, then we'll just increment the value of count, and at last we'll just return the value of count here. So that is all for the code part here. Let's see it passes all the test cases or not. And yes, it passes all the test cases here. Now we'll submit this question, and it is correct. So that was all for this question. Thank you.